Hello scholars, welcome back to our online classes of GK. Today we are going to start our unit 2. But before that, I know you all are waiting to know the answers of the questions which I have asked in my last video. So let's see the answers. Our question number 1 was, who was the first Twitter user to reach 20 million followers? The answer is Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga just became the first Twitter user to reach 20 million followers. Now we'll see our question number 2. Where can you find cities, towns, shops and streets but no people? The answer is map. In a map, we can find all of these but no people. So now scholars will move to do the exercise of our book. So scholars, today we are going to start our unit 2, that is flora and fauna. Before starting this unit, I want you all to know what is the meaning of flora and fauna. Flora is all the plant life present in a particular region or time, generally the natural occurring native plants. And the corresponding term for animal life is fauna. In simple words, the flora relates to all plant life and the term fauna represents all animal life. So, let's start with our first exercise given in this unit, that is plant quiz. Plants are important for human life in many ways. Without plants, life on the earth would be impossible. So here we have to read the clues and name these wonderful plants. So let's start. So here is our question number 1. I am an insect-eating plant. You will find me in parts of southern United States like Georgia and southern Carolina. I am in great danger of being extinct nowadays. So can you identify this picture? Yes, it is pitcher plant. Now we'll move to our question number 2. I am a plant that produces biggest flower in the world. I am found in the forest of Indonesia and my flower gives out a very foul smell. Can you recognize this plant? Yes, this is Rafflesia plant. So here we will write Rafflesia. Now we'll see our question number 3. I am a small plant containing a gel-like juice in my leaves. This gel has many applications in the traditional medicines and cosmetics. As you can also see in the picture. Yes, you are right, it is aloe vera plant. Now we'll see our question number 4. I am the largest living plant in the world. To see me, you will have to come to the Sequoia National Park in California, USA. The answer is General Sherman. Now we'll see our question number 5. I am a fast growing aquatic plant. I cover the surface of water bodies where I grow. This cuts off the supply of oxygen to the water which is necessary for the survival of aquatic animals. This is water hyacinth. Now we'll see our last question. We are the smallest flowering plant. We live in water and is studied by scientists to ascertain if we can serve as a cheap source of biological fuel. The answer is duckweed. So like this, we have completed our exercise number 10. Now we'll move to our exercise number 11. So here is our exercise number 11, that is more about plants. Here we'll know some interesting feature of some plants. So here we have to look at the picture clues and answer the following question. So let's start. Here is our question number 1. Which flower shares its name with a part of human eye? As you can see in the picture also, the answer is Irish flower. Now moving to our question number 2. Where will you see the farmers growing cubical watermelons? As you can see in the picture, these watermelons are cubical in shape. The answer is Japan. In Japan, farmers grow this cubical watermelon. These square watermelons are the product of some meticulous growing technique. They were created to easily fit into a fridge over 40 years ago in Japan. But now they are sold as decorations because of their signature shape. So now we'll move to our question number 3. Which plant has the leaves that look exactly like stones or pebbles? Have you ever seen any plant like this? Just see in the picture. The answer is litho. The name is derived from ancient Greek word lithos, meaning stone, and ops meaning face, referring to the stone-like appearance of the plants. Now we'll see our question number 4. What is the seed of an oak tree called? Do you know this? The seed of an oak tree is called acorn. Now we'll move to our question number 5. Leaves of which plant are commonly used to get a red-brown dye known as mehendi? I know you know this answer. The answer is henna. Now we'll see our question number 6. What is the name of the tissues that transport water in plants? Yes, you are right. It is xylem. It is xylem. Now we'll see our question number 7. Pine tree is an example of which type of plant? It is conifers. You know, a pine is any conifer shrub or tree species from the pines genus of plant, a group that includes more than 120 species worldwide. These are evergreen conifers. Now we'll see our question number 8, which is the largest unbranched flower in the world. Just see in the picture. It is Titanorum. It is a cluster of many tiny flowers called an inflorescence. The plant can reach heights of 7 to 12 feet and weigh as much as 170 pounds. So like this we have completed our exercise number 11 also. Now we'll move to our exercise number 12. So here is our exercise number 12, amazing animals. Here we have to match these animals with the amazing qualities that they have. So let's start. Our question number 1 is, this animal is one of the longest living animals on earth. Do you know this? Yes, it is giant tortoise. It is given in point number C. So in front of 1 we will write C. Now we'll see our question number 2. This animal sleeps with one eye open. You know this? It is dolphin. Here it is given in point number F. And you know why they sleep like this? Because they need to periodically come up for air and keep an eye out for potential predators. So in front of 2 we will write F. Now we'll read our question number 3. This is considered as the most intelligent animal on earth after the humans. Yes, You guess right. It is chimpanzee. It is given in point number G. So in front of 3, we will write G. And you know, scholars, chimpanzees are better than humans in some memory task. They use at least 66 distinct gestures to communicate with each other in the wild. They work with tools, communicate with complex vocalizations, and are good problem solvers also. Now we'll read our question number 4. This animal has 8 legs and it belongs to a group of animals called arachnids. It is scorpion. It is given in point number H. Now we'll read our question number 5. This is the smallest bird in the world. It grows only 6 cm long. Yes, you are right. It is bee hummingbird. And this is given in point number B. So in front of 5, we will write B. Now we'll move to our question number 6. This animal can turn each of its eyes separately in any direction. Do you know this animal? Yes, it is chameleon. So here in front of 6, we will write A. You know, without the restriction of a deep orbital socket, each eye can rotate nearly 180 degrees, giving a much wider range of vision. Their eyes rotate in this way to search for prey without having to move their heads. The chameleon can remain perfectly still while the eyes are constantly scanning for prey. Now we'll see our question number 7. This is the largest penguin in the world. As the answer is given in the question only, it is emperor penguin. So in front of 7, we will write D, emperor penguin. It is the tallest and heaviest of all living penguin species and is endemic to Antarctica. The male and female are similar in plumage and size, reaching 122 cm, that is 48 inches in length, and weighing from 22 to 45 kgs. Now we'll move to our last question, that is question number 8. This animal can jump the highest, that is up to 30 feet in a single jump. It is red kangaroo. So in front of 8, we will write option E. So like this, we have completed our exercise number 12. Now rest of the exercises we'll do in our next video. Now we are moving to our next segment, that is Amazing Facts. So scholars, today in the segment of Amazing Fact, we'll learn about black apples. Yes, you heard right. Black apples exist. These extremely rare apples look like something out of a fairy tale. Black diamond apples are a rare variety from the family of Huanyu apples, also known as the Chinese Red Delicious. The name is a little misleading because they are not exactly black but rather a dark color of purple. These unique apples owe their color to their native geography in Ningxi, a small city in the mountains of Tibet, where they receive a lot of ultraviolet light during the day, but the temperature fluctuates dramatically at night, causing the skin to develop a deep dark color. The flesh inside is white and bright like any other apple. So next time if you get a chance to visit Tibet, don't forget to have these apples. Now let's move to our next segment, that is Know Your Country. Today in this segment we are going to learn about one interesting fact about India, that is the floating post office. With 1,55,618 post offices and over 5,66,000 employees, India has the largest postal network in the world. But did you know India is also having a floating post office. The floating post office is located in the beautiful city of Srinagar in Kashmir, amidst picturesque snow-clad mountains on a huge houseboat in Dal Lake. More than 7,000 people use this post office every year and is still growing strong. In fact, the surprising factor here is that it is not the only floating post office in India but also in the world, which makes it a unique piece of architecture. Being one of its kind architectures, this post office has now become an important place of a tourist's Kashmir itinerary. Now we'll move to our next segment, that is current affair. Today's current affair is about the app Money to help visually challenged to identify currency notes. Recently, the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has launched a mobile app, Mobile Aided Note Identifier, that is Money. The visually challenged people can identify the denominations of a currency note by using the mobile app Money. This application also works offline once installed. This application scans the currency notes using the camera of the mobile phone and also gives audio output in Hindi and English. This app does not authenticate a note as either genuine or counterfeit. But overall, it is going to be a very helpful app for visually challenged people. So scholars, I hope you like this segment. Now we'll see our homework. Today you have to find the answer of this question. So your question is, name the only food that does not spoil. So scholars, with this we come to end of this video. Goodbye scholars.